Welcome back. In the last video, we explored the key features that make Lighthouse ERP powerful and practical. Now, let's get an overview of the core modules that form the backbone of Lighthouse ERP. Finance and Accounts Management handles everything from billing and vouchers to budgeting, taxation, compliance, and financial reporting, giving you real-time financial control across entities. Material Management tracks inventory, purchase planning, stock movement, and vendor performance, ensuring material availability and cost optimization. Security Gate and Weighbridge captures incoming and outgoing vehicle data, gate entries, and weight slips, ensuring accurate tracking and secure material movement. Sales, Marketing, and Distribution manages inquiries, quotations, orders, dispatch, billing, and customer engagement, keeping your sales and distribution cycle flowing smoothly. Production Planning and Production helps plan, schedule, and monitor manufacturing activities, including BOM management, production tracking, and resource allocation. Quality Management implements quality checks at every stage, raw material, in process, and final inspection to ensure adherence to standards. Logistics and Movement monitors internal and external logistics, vehicle routing, and material transfers between locations with traceability and real-time updates. System Administration centralizes configuration, access control, master data management, and system-level settings for secure and scalable operations. Each of these modules is fully integrated, supporting seamless data flow and collaboration across your entire business. In the next video, we'll look at the add-on modules of Lighthouse ERP and how they bring even more flexibility to your operations.